Hi guys, Cameron here from Cameron's Transport Channel. Welcome to another video. Today we are on board the 306. We've got an insanely rare working got a Riva Northeast 7424 on the 306. This is an insanely rare working you guys. This is from Red Car Depot. This but some must have transferred. The birds have really transferred them soon. Or it's been sent up to Jesmond to cover for a breakdown today, I don't know. But all that matters, this is an insanely rare work from the Red Car base, but on a Jesmond route.
Okay, well I'm going out after, so I need to make the video.
Anyway guys, I'm sorry for the short video, but because my storage is very low, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.